Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Decoded. Have you ever wondered how digital money works? What if I told you there's a way to send money globally without a bank involved? That's the power of cryptocurrency. In the next, we're going to break it down simply, so stick around. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, it's digital money that isn't controlled by any government or central bank. It operates online, and you can use it to make purchases, send money, or even invest. The best part? It's not tied to traditional currencies like the dollar or euro. Instead, it's powered by something called blockchain technology. Here's where it gets interesting. Cryptocurrencies use something called blockchain, a type of digital ledger that records every transaction. This ledger isn't stored on one computer, but instead meaning it's spread across thousands of computers worldwide. It's decentralized. This makes cryptocurrency incredibly secure and transparent because everyone can see the transactions, but no one can alter them. Now, you might be asking, why would anyone use cryptocurrency? Well, there are a few key reasons. First, it's fast. Transactions can happen in minutes. Second, it's private. You don't need to share personal info like your name or address. And third, it's global. No matter where you are, you can send and receive money without worrying about exchange rates or high fees. Some of the most famous cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, the first and most well-known, and Ethereum, which is famous for its smart contracts that let people create decentralized apps. There's also Litecoin, Ripple, and many others, each with their unique features. They're all part of this growing digital ecosystem that's changing the way we think about money. And that's a quick look at what cryptocurrency is all about. What do you think about this new form of money? Are you ready to dive deeper into the world of crypto? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Decoded for more crypto knowledge, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we'll guide you through how to buy your first cryptocurrency. Stay tuned and keep decoding the world of crypto.